Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about such a unique platform or a business plan which can prove to be a helping hand for all those people who want to achieve something big in their life. The plan which I am going to explain you now is growing rapidly in the market and is 100% legal and working under government guidelines. So the company's name is Raytm, where you can choose best for success with their helping plan. Its official website is raytm.co.in. For other additional details, you can also visit its website. So friends, now on the screen you can see the legal documents of the company which proves that it is 100% legal and is working totally under government guidelines. So now if we move ahead and talk about the vision of the company, so its vision is a person-centered approach to goal-setting service, planning and delivery systems lead to individual success with giving best service. Here, passion, truth, honesty, love and good nature are the 5 ethics which the company uses with its services to grow in the market. So now moving ahead, when we talk about the business plan of the company, so here you can register yourself by paying only a small amount of 150 rupees. Here you can work on the 2x2 matrix system and 6-level auto upgrade plan is available. Now if I talk about the types of income, so from here you can get 6 types of income which are direct income, sponsor income, level income, re-entry income, rewards income and the repurchase income. So now let me tell you about the structure of this business plan. So here you can fill 2 IDs in your down, that is one in the left and one in the right. Then those 2 users can fill 2 IDs under them. So the similar procedure continues and this works on the 2x2 matrix system. So now when we talk about the first type of income, that is the direct income. So from here you can get 50 rupees as direct income on every direct. Also, here you can sponsor unlimited direct. So now when we talk about the next type of income, that is the level income. So here 6 types of level incomes are present, that are Silver Star, Star, Platinum, Diamond, Ruby and Raytm Club member. So now I am going to tell you about the first type of level income, that is the Silver Star. So here as you can see in the table, when 2 members joins under you, you get 150 rupees from them each. So your total fund received from here becomes 300 rupees, in which 200 will be deducted into spill income and ID will be auto upgraded for star level. After that you are left with the 100 rupees which is your direct income and you can withdraw it. Similar process is there in the next type of level income, that is the star level. Here when 4 members complete silver star level and upgrade for star level with 200 rupees each, so your total income from here becomes 800, in which 500 rupees are used for the upgradation into next level, that is the platinum level, and that upgrade will go to the 3rd level upline, and 15% goes sponsor income to your direct upline and 255 income you will receive in your income wallet. The similar procedure continues for all other types of level income, which are Platinum, Diamond, Ruby and the Raytm Club member, where the IDs are auto upgraded and you can easily withdraw your income. So now comes the next type of income, that is the rewards income. So here in rewards income, when 3 IDs are filled in your left and 3 IDs are filled in your right, you get 50 rupees as your reward income. In level 2, when there are more than 7 IDs placed in your left and 7 IDs in your right, you get 100 rupees as reward income. And in level 3, when there are more than 15 IDs placed in your left and 15 IDs placed in your right, you get 150 rupees as your reward income. Similarly in level 4, when there are more than 31 IDs placed in your left and more than 31 IDs placed in your right, you get 300 rupees as reward income. The similar procedure continues up to level 20. Up to where you can earn up to 75,000 rupees as reward income. Now I am going to tell you about the next type of income, that is the repurchase income. So in repurchase income, in level 1 you get about 10% of repurchase income. In level 2 you get 9% of repurchase income from here. In level 3 you get 8%, in level 4 you get 7% and in level 5 you get 6% of repurchase income. The similar procedure flows up to level 15th as shown in the table. On reaching level 15, you can earn a very good income from here. So along with the income process, here are some points to be noted regarding the repurchase income, which are that this repurchase income will be count on BV, that is the business value. For withdrawal, this income 100 business value is compulsory on self ID and closing will be on date 10th, 20th and 30th of every month. So friends, these were the details about the very unique platform of today's time which is growing rapidly in the market. So you can register your joining here and you can get a chance to fulfill all your dreams. With all its amazing income opportunities, the company also have some terms and conditions like daily payout release, minimum payout is 100 rupees, KYC is mandatory for payout, 24-hour auto withdrawal IMPS, 10% admin charges will be deducted, 2 direct is compulsory for payout. After 2 direct, all direct IDs will be goes to in level by auto spill, top to bottom and left to right. Here online banking system is available, banking details are displayed on the screen. And also the company address of the technical office and the head office is also displayed on the screen. For any more clarification or for your registration, you can also visit its website which is raytm.co.in. Thank you.